Hi students, you know sin of a plus b formula, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b and also tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b, you know all these formulas. Now today we discuss some problems. First problem, find the value of cos of 100 degrees into cos of 40 degrees plus sin of 100 degrees into sin of 40 degrees. So this is a sin A cos B. This is of the form sin A. So this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B form. So this is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is equal to, this is the cos of A minus B form. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So which is cos of A minus B, 100 degrees minus 40 degrees. That is cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Next one, find the value of tan of pi by 4 plus theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. So this is tan of A plus B form. This is tan of A minus B form. Now, so this is tan of pi by 4. Tan of A plus B form. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B formula. And it is tan of A minus B form. So that is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay. So this is tan pi by 4. Tan 45 degrees value is what? 1. So this is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan 45 value is 1. 1 into tan theta is tan theta into tan 45 value 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan theta 1 plus tan theta. So okay, 1 minus tan theta cancel, 1 plus tan theta gets cancelled. So that is 1 is the answer. Next one, find the value of sin of 1140 degrees into cos of 390 degrees minus cos of 780 degrees into sin of 750 degrees. value. So take one by one and simplify. First of all, this write sine of 1140 degrees. This you write sine of 3 times of 360 degrees. That means what? 360 into 3 means what? So 0, this is 108. 108 degrees. But it is given what? 1140. 10, that is equal to plus 60 degrees. Plus 60. That is 0, 4, 1, 1. Okay. 3 times of, that is equal to sine of, you write 3 times of 2 pi plus 60 degrees. We now have the formula sine of n into 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta. So using this formula, sine of 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant. Okay, so sine of this is a 2 pi plus theta, again another 2 pi and another 2 pi, again it comes to first quadrant. Sine of n times of 2 pi plus theta is equal to sine theta, where n belongs to z, integer. Okay, therefore this is equal to what? Using this, that is equal to sine of n pi plus theta is equal to sine 60. Sine 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. And the next to cos 390 degrees is equal to cos of 360 degrees plus 30 degrees. So cos of 360 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So 360 plus theta means what? Again, so this is cos theta, that is cos 30, where cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And next to cos of 780 degrees. This you write cos of 2 times of 360 degrees. That means what? 270. 2 into 360, 720 degrees plus 60 degrees. This is also cos of, this is 2 into, so this is what? 2 pi. So this is 2 into 2 pi plus 60 degrees. So same, this is cos of n times of 2 pi plus theta is equal to again cos theta. 2 pi means what? 360 degrees. So cos of 2 n pi plus theta is equal to, this is cos 60 degrees, where cos 60 is 1 by 2. And next one is sine of 750 degrees is equal to, this rate is sine of 2 into 360 degrees. That means 720 plus 30 is equal to sine of n pi, sine of 2 n times of 2 pi plus theta. Again this is also equal to sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Therefore the given expression, so this is the given expression, means this one. What about here? The value is, first one, the value equal to this one. So, and the value is, so this is root 3 by 2. This is also root 3 by 2 minus, and the value is what? 1 by 2. And next value is also 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Root 3 into 3, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, write down. Next one, next problem, express root 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees by 2 as a sine of the angle, as a sine of the angle. That means what? You have to reduce, this is in terms of sine theta. This you write root 3 by 2 into cos 25 degrees plus 1 by 2 into sine 25 degrees. Okay, root 3 in terms of sine. So this is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 25 plus. So this is 1 by 2 in terms of cos 60 value 1 by 2 into sine 25 degrees. Now this is a sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form. This is just like sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is A? 60 degrees. What is B? 25 degrees. So this is equal to what? Sin of A plus B. That is equal to, where A is 60 degrees, B is 25 degrees. So this is sin of 85 degrees. Okay, in terms of sine of the angle. Next one, express, so this is cos theta minus sin theta as cosine means cos of the angle. Cosine of angle. Cosine means what? Cos, in terms of cos. So this you are multiplying and dividing by 2. Dividing by, this is root 2. So this is 1 by root 2. Okay, I am multiplying root 2 dividing by root 2. So this is cos theta minus sin theta. Multiplying, dividing. So this is root 2 into, so we are multiplying 1 by root 2 here. 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay, 1 by root 2 in terms of cos, that is cos 45 degrees. That equal to root 2 into cos 45 degrees into cos theta minus sin 45 degrees into sin theta. Sin theta 1 by root. So 1 by root is what? Sin 45. 1 by root is what? Cos 45. Okay. Now the question is what? In terms of cos. This also can be written as, this is sin 45. This also cos 45. But the given question is express this in terms of cos of the angle. So that is equal to root 2 into cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is cos of A plus B. A is 45 degrees, B is theta. Okay, that is equal to root 2 into cos 45 degrees plus theta in terms of cos of the angle. Next one, express tan theta in terms of tan alpha if it is given that sin of theta plus alpha is equal to cos of theta plus alpha. So tan theta, you write tan theta is equal to in terms of tan alpha, you can convert. Given that sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta minus alpha. Now sin of theta plus alpha equal to cos of theta minus alpha, this is given. Okay. So first one is sin of a plus b form. Second one is cos of a plus b form. So write the complete expansions for both. That is, this is sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to cos of a plus b cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta sin alpha. Okay, now dividing both sides by cos theta into cos alpha. Dividing both sides by cos theta into cos alpha. Okay, now I am dividing each term. So this is sin theta into cos alpha by cos theta cos alpha plus cos theta into sin alpha by, so this is cos theta cos alpha is equal to, okay, so this is cos theta cos alpha by cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta sin alpha by cos theta cos alpha. Dividing both sides by cos theta cos alpha. So these two gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Next, these two gets cancelled. Plus sin alpha by cos alpha, tan alpha is equal to, so this is completely gets cancelled. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Sin alpha by cos alpha, that is tan alpha. Okay, now this is express tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Now this is the tan theta, okay, this you write this side plus this is the tan theta into tan alpha is equal to 1 minus, you write that side, 1 minus tan alpha. Okay, from these two, tan theta, you can take tan theta common. 1 plus tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan alpha. Therefore, tan theta equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. So, tan theta, just we are expressing tan theta in terms of tan alpha. Tan theta equal to in terms of tan alpha. So, okay, try down. Next one, if tan theta is equal to, next problem, tan theta equal to cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees minus sin 11 degrees. And theta belongs to third quadrant. Then find theta. Theta is in third quadrant. Then find theta. Okay. Tan theta you can convert in terms of tan something, tan of alpha. This right. If you take cos 11 degrees is taking common. 1 plus this is sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees is taking common. 1 minus, so this is sin 11 degrees by cos of 11 degrees. These two gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus tan 11. So this is 1 plus tan 11 degrees by 1 minus tan 11 degrees. Sin by cos is tan. So this right 1 can be written as tan 45 degrees plus tan 11 degrees by 1 minus 1 into tan 11. 1 can be written as, but there is no 1, but you feel that is a 1 is tan 45. So tan 45 degrees into, so this is tan of 11 degrees. This is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. What about tan of A plus B form? Is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan of A plus B form. Okay, so this is tan of A plus B, tan of 45 degrees plus 11 degrees, which is tan 54 degrees. So therefore this is a tan theta is equal to tan of 54 degrees. Sorry, 56 it is, not 54, 56 degrees. But what is given? Theta belongs to third quadrant. So but 56 is first quadrant. So tan this can be written as, third means what? 180 plus. 180 plus third quadrant. 180 plus 56 degrees. And 180 plus 56 is equal to third quadrant tan positive. Tan of 180 plus theta is tan theta. So tan of 180 plus 56 is tan 56. So tan 56 can be written as like this also. Okay. Therefore tan of 180 plus, that is equal to what? This is the tan of, so this can be written as, I can write like this, because since here tan theta can be written as tan of 180 plus theta. Tan of 180 plus theta is tan theta. Tan theta is tan 180 plus theta. Both are equal. So I can write 180 plus theta. Why I am writing? Because theta belongs to third quadrant. So this is equal, by adding these two, 236 degrees. Therefore theta is equal to 236 degrees, which belongs to third quadrant. Okay. next one. Next problem. If 0 less than a less than 90 degrees and 0 less than b less than 90 degrees, that is a and b are lies in first quadrant. The cos a is equal to cos a 5 by 13 and sin b is equal to 4 by 5. Then find sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, and cos of, and this is, after this you write tan of a plus b, and also if you write cot of a minus b. So I will explain one and you have to do the remaining. A. So what is cos A? Cos A equal to 5 by 13. So this is angle A. Okay. Cos A is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this is 5 and this is 13. Okay. From this right angle triangle, suppose this is, let it be some PQR. What is PQR? Okay, what is PQ square is equal to? Equal to this PR square minus QR square. QR square, or simply that is, this is how to, this is PR square is equal, hypotenuse is equal to PQ square plus QR square. From this PQ square is equal to, write this side, PR square minus QR square. PR square is what? 13 square is 169 minus 25, 144. Therefore, PQ is equal to root of 144, which is 12. So, I think you know already very well by using right angle triangle 12. And what is A? A belongs to first quadrant. So in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So we have to find sin A. What is sin A equal to? 12 by 13, opposite by hypotenuse. And what about tan A is equal to? Tan A, opposite by adjacent, 12 by 5. What about cot A equal to? Cot A is 5 by 12. Okay, and same as, so you know very well for this, and what about cos A is equal to? So in this one, not cos A, I think it is B. Oh, sorry, this is A only. Cos A. What about next one is sin B? This, I will take this one. Sin B is equal to 4 by 5. Means this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. Okay, their angle is B. Therefore, what is cos B is equal to? Cos B equal to 3 by 5. And what about tan B? Tan B equal to 4, 4 by 3. And what about cot B equal to? Cot B is 3 by 4. You have all the values. Now, you can take the first one. What is the first one? Sin of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A into sin B. That is equal to sin A 12 by 13, cos B 3 by 5 minus cos A 5 by 13 to sin B 4 by 5. This is equal to 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65, that is 65 LCM. So this is 36 minus 20, 16 by 65 is the answer. So like we have to find the remaining values. Next one, find the value of tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus root 3 into tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees is equal to what? Here you write 60 can be written as 20 degrees plus 40 degrees. Okay, or this is equal to 60 degrees plus 40 degrees. So 60 degrees can be written as 20 degrees plus 40 degrees. 20 plus 40 is 60. Now I am applying tan on both sides. Now this is the tan of 20 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to tan 60 degrees. Okay, now this is tan of A plus B form. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is the tan 60 value root 3. Applying tan of A plus B form. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to, now cross multiplication, tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees is equal to root 3 into 1 minus tan 20 degrees to tan 40 degrees. Okay, this is equal to root 3 minus root 3 tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees. Now this you can write this side. So this is what, therefore tan 20 degrees plus tan 40 degrees plus you take this side. This is root 3 into tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees is equal to root 3. So this, see here, the value is what? Root 3. Root 3 is the answer. So we have another problem by same model. Find the value of tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees and minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees value is equal to what? Now see here, clearly 45 degrees can be written as, see here, 56 degrees minus 11 degrees. 56 minus 11 is 45 degrees. Now applying tan on both sides, tan 45 degrees is equal to tan of 56 degrees minus 11 degrees. So tan 45 value is what? 1 is equal to tan of A minus B. So trigonometry is completely dependent on formulas. So you have to mug up all these formulas. You write once, twice or thrice. So more number of times. Trigonometry is completely based on formulas. So after going further, that means what? Next topics, we are having more in number. So only thing is what? How to get all these things through practice. So you have to more practice. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus this is tan A into tan B formula. Now this is tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees by, okay na, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. So by cross multiplication, so this tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees is equal to 1 plus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees. Okay, now you write this, you can take this side, that is tan 56 degrees minus tan 11 degrees minus tan 56 degrees into tan 11 degrees is equal to what? 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay, you have to write all the formulas and then you practice well. Okay, thank you.